Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about making your Facebook profile private. So if you do not want other people to see your information, or just basically you're temporarily deactivating the account, which is a slightly different feature, but generally speaking it's the same concept here. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon at the top right and select setting and privacy. And then you would select the setting gear icon. That will take you over to this page. And now on the left panel, you can select the privacy checkup button and then select where it says who can see what you share. Select the continue button. So on this page, you can then adjust the information you want to be public or private. Just continue there. You can adjust the default audience for future posts. If I click on that button, you can do friends, public, friends, or only you. You can adjust the same visibility settings for stories. And then you can also limit past posts as well. So change who can see past posts that were public or friends of friends to only friends. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may still see them. Select the limit button. So you're about to limit all past posts in your timeline. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post one at a time. So you could select limit, and that basically would make your profile more private if there were some public or friends of friends posting items on your page. And you would select next, and then you would select next again. Again, you could block certain people as well through the add to block list. And then that's pretty much it. You're all set, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.